Hi guys, welcome to the video. Now I've got an amazing competition starting today. It starts today on the 28th and closes on the 30th of August. Okay, now this competition is huge. For the competition I'm going to be giving away 5 prizes. So I'm not just going to be giving one prize, I'm going to give 5 prizes plus a main prize as well. So I'm going to be picking 6 winners. So huge contest. Now to enter the competition, all you need to do is click this button here where it says enter the competition here. Go across to YouTube, comment on that video, like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you would. And on the 30th of August, I'll pick the 5 winners plus the main winner as well. Now the main winner will receive a copy of Affiliate Newbie to Pro, full PLR pack with everything included. It's your own product to kind of do what you want with. Plus they will also win a copy of my 25 giveaway packs. So those 25 giveaway packs can be used to build your list. You can resell them. There's full products there. Do whatever you want with those to build your list or to resell and keep 100% of the income. Now the other 5 winners, so I'll pick another 5 winners, and those 5 winners also will receive a copy of the 25 giveaway packs. So the first winner will receive a copy of the PLR product Affiliate Newbie to Pro plus the giveaway packs. The next 5 winners will receive a copy of the giveaway packs. So amazing competition. Click on this button here, enter the competition. When you go across to YouTube, subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, but most importantly, comment on that video. Okay, then on the 30th of August I'll pick the winners. Also on the 30th of August my bonus goes live for this. So the bonus will be the 25 giveaway packs plus 27 premium reseller packs. Those come with master rights as well. So what that means is you can resell as your own, you can resell with reseller rights as well. So you can pass on the reseller rights. So that's very valuable. Plus you can use as a bonus for your own products as well. Okay, so I've got lots more bonuses as well, but I just wanted to tell you about those. So that bonus goes live on the 30th of August. But if you're interested in joining the competition, just click this blue button here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.